Beatriz Ferreira is set to go down against Maria Ferreira. This is IBF World Female Lightweight title fight. Beatriz is undefeated and she's got excellent right hand, 5'4", out of Bahia, Brazil. She defeated Alicia Udarsa, Destiny Jones, Carla Ramos Zamora. She can go for a knockout, but in this case, the former Olympian boxer is dealing with a chick who can really take a beating. Maria Ferreira Dinamita is also undefeated and fighting out of Villa Maria Cordoba. This chica is on a roll. She destroyed Pamela Elizabeth Benavides, Johan Paula Gonzalez. Yeah, she's got a knockout power, but against Lisbeth Crespo, we haven't seen serious punches. We haven't seen a head rock, so I have a feeling over 8.5 is a good call for this fight. But if I must pick a side, I'm going with Maria Ferreira because of the experience. I just think she's got more experience and I believe her cardio management gonna be better.